Hello everyone and welcome to this round of EdTalks. I have with me here Amir from Okanagan College. Hi Amir.
Hello.
Amir, you just told me that Kelowna region does not have harsh winters.
Yes.
Tell us more about the city and the location and the college.
Of course. So Okanagan College. Okanagan is not a city; it's a region, and we are located in the beautiful. We are away from Vancouver, around 400 kilometers east of Vancouver, and it's a beautiful valley. We are lucky to be having such great weather there. Winters are not as harsh, and we get a lot of tourists come in our region all around the year for a lot of recreation activities like skiing, golfing, etc. We get about 2 million tourists coming in the region. So
a lot of part-time jobs.
yes, lots of part-time job options for our students, and lots of technology companies in our region as well, over 600. That creates a lot of job for our students. So students, when they're studying, they don't just are studying, they can get to enjoy the Okanagan, right? The great weather that we have to offer.
Yeah. So what kind of unique programs is Okanagan College offer?
So we have a lot of programs in arts, business, science, technology, health-related programs as well. And a lot of our programs are PGWP eligible, postgraduate work permit eligible. And we get about, right now, we have around 800 international students studying with us. And they are from over 60 plus countries. So we offer a great diversity for our students. And a lot of programs with mandatory co-ops are there, optional co-op. We have Career Hub and a department now in the college who helps students with all of that as well. Our students are thriving, they're able to get jobs, and they're finding job options all across Canada.
We're not too many students, so it's quite a sustainable number. Classroom size are small and jobs are easier to
Yes,
secure,
average
right?
class sizes is 20 to 25 students in the classroom, which gives a chance to the student to be in direct contact with the instructors and easily make friends.
Right. You can easily make friends in the Okanagan region.
Yes.
So thank you so much for talking about your college, Amir. It was very interesting.
Thank you so much for having me here.